round of the championship, a couple young guns on the front row set to battle it out on this newly flooded circuit.
So good luck everybody and have a fantastic race.
From my point of view, it's heartbreaking. In my industry, it's very backwards.
This is Amazon's big budget show Citadel, and while all the primary cast have their own assigned stunt doubles which are gender and race appropriate, as you might expect, this is what we found. Sky News obtaining photos of a stunt driver wearing a wig and given heavy makeup to pass as female.
Now, to some female stunt performers and drivers, this explanation is familiar. There just aren't enough women in the trade. But we've been told even those who already have the skills needed aren't often being booked because, they say, the stunt world remains a boys' club.
You know how I feel.
And it's green, we go for the 24 hours of Le Mans.
You know how I
The most famous motor race in the world.
breeze drifting on by. You know how I feel. It's a new dawn. It's a new day. It's a new life.